Hey everybody, want your windows to shine? Now you won't have to take any panels apart or do acrobatics to clean large windows, glass balconies, or showcases. No need to use rags, newspapers, or cheap imitation mops. A world-class patent is coming back, the original Wonder Mop, suitable for all types of windows. The original Wonder Mop has super strong magnets and is capable of cleaning extremely thick windows, glass balconies, and showcases. The original Wonder Mop simultaneously cleans, washes, and wipes windows on both sides. The original Wonder Mop is easy to use and operate. Just open the window and press the two wipers against it. Turn on the Wonder Mop to simultaneously wash and wipe the window on both sides, leaving it dry, clean, and shiny. The original Wonder Mop is made of high-quality, non-abrasive materials. Beware of cheap imitations.